This period of the time when woman is feeling so kind of irritable mood and cramps make her more and more sensitive, and at that time unconsciously she wants their caregivers attention and their support, and if she didn't find that.
What psychological effects can severe dysmenorrhea have on women, and how can they be managed?
The severe issues which we experienced are depression, anxiety, mood swings, which are so, we can say, repetitively you experience the woman. Most importantly, self-doubting. We observed, and I read multiple researches regarding that. Women, if they are not getting early time area, their pain, their disturbance of all daily routine, they are suffering for these kind of issues, and which makes their life more problematic in future.
How does dysmenorrhea impact relationships, self-esteem, and daily productivity? And what coping strategies are recommended?
This period of the time when woman is feeling so kind of irritable mood and cramps make her more and more sensitive, and at that time unconsciously she wants their caregivers attention and their support, and if she didn't find that, and her life is making more and more disturbed or hard-working areas, then they make her mindset more problematic and their mental health affected, which I told that they feel anxiety and depression and mood swings. And the best thing is the self-care, and most importantly self-management, which in our term we can say emotional regulation. And when the client have these kind of issues and came to us, then we have to prescribe them about the self-regulation therapy, where they understand their own emotions and they learn how to cater.
Can mindfulness or therapy play a role in reducing the perception of pain associated with dysmenorrhea?
Mindfulness and these kind of all techniques which cater subconscious and which makes you more positive regarding any kind of phase of your life, it makes the mind of the particular person more healthy and strong to handle these kind of issues.
What is the connection between dysmenorrhea and conditions like anxiety or depression, and how can women seek holistic care?
According to the researches, and as a woman which I expert, I will share my own experience that during these kind of issues, this kind of period of my life, obviously I feel so much weak, and I want the support of my supporters or my caregivers. And when I didn't find that, or any woman didn't find that support, which is very positive, leaving very positive impact on their mind, make their mood more disturbed, then gradually these are increasing, and then months and months and years are passing away, then it makes to divert in anxiety or depression. So this is the connected. And if I talk about the young girls who are new experiences it, at that time they can't talk about it, so multiple things are buried in their own self and they are facing, and that make first to start anxiety, and then they explore like inattention, which is make their life more problematic.
How can workplaces or educational institutions provide support for women dealing with menstrual health challenges?
In educational system, I can tell you, told before that awareness sessions with parents are more helpful. But in workplace, again, it's a stigma, because we can understand that we all women are working with male persons, and we are reluctant to show our male boss regarding these kind of issues. So here I always, no doubt it's a little ironic, but I always tell the woman, and I'm also a woman, that we have to control ourselves. We have to learn about it, that how to handle these kind of issues. And if I suggest something to any kind of workplace, then I will suggest them that the HR should be female for female employees, and they have to understand regarding these kind of issues, and at that time they have to suggest them regarding work from home or regarding any kind of work like that, where they can sit and rest, and give them, try to minimize their pressures. So these kind of, which I understand that in our society it is very conditional thing, or very what can I say, fantasize making thing, but I think these kind are more helpful to make women more productive.